Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Earth Pro and entering the flight simulator from the Tools menu. Choose an aircraft and a starting position now, because handling differs between planes. Faster jets respond more abruptly. Plug in your joystick or gamepad if available. Once done, make sure device calibration is correct. If you only have keyboard controls, learn arrow keys for pitch and roll, and page up/page down for throttle. This first setup determines how smooth your control inputs will feel during the flight. Now you control the airplane. Use pitch and roll with the arrow keys or your joystick stick, and remember, small inputs make smoother, more precise turns. Increase throttle with page up to gain speed and altitude, or reduce it with page down to descend more gently. Use trim controls to relieve constant control pressure. This keeps your aircraft stable without holding the stick. Adjust flaps for slower approaches, and move the mouse to scan the cockpit and horizon. This helps situational awareness during maneuvers. To finish the flight, set up a stable approach. Reduce throttle, deploy flaps progressively, and align with the runway centerline. Target a shallow 3-degree glide path. As you near the runway, flare by smoothly pulling back to reduce descent rate, cut throttle at touchdown, then apply brakes. If things go wrong, reset the simulator via the menu, recalibrate or lower joystick sensitivity, and try again. This solves most control issues. Practice landings at lower speed aircraft, first to build consistent technique and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.